Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Today I will be doing a review of the new Ryla. Well, they're not super new, I am just late to the game, but these are the new Ryla packing pouches. So I will be doing a little quick review for you and showing you how they fit in the Ryla Ready Pack. So let's just get right to it. I am also going to do like a little quick comparison to the Lily Jade packing pouches because one of you requested this on Instagram, so I'll add that at the end. I'm sorry if the light is going in and out. We have an overcast day, so I apologize. It comes in a pack of 3. They are super great quality. You have a small, medium, and large. They have a little wristlet that you can attach to all 3 or just one, depends on what you are needing or wanting to do. You can also take it off completely if you don't want to use the strap. You can also use that for your keys or anything else. For the time being, it only comes in black. They haven't announced it in another color, but just so you know, it only comes in black, and the hardware is in gold. I'll start off with the smallest pouch. Let me show you what it looks like. You can obviously see what's inside because of the clear front. This clear front is really popular right now. You can see a lot of other companies doing it as well, but they are all different in sizing and material. I only have the Lily Jade and this one, so I think that they're equally amazing and great quality. And you have a couple of differences that I will get to later on. So it has the nice nameplate right on the top. And the zippers are really great. They're just like the ones on the bag, and it has their little logo right there, a little RP. It has the D-ring on the side, and you can attach the wristlet to here. So the front is obviously clear, and the material is the same as the bag. It's that super high-end faux leather. It feels really good. It kind of feels like real leather to me. It's really nice, but it is so durable. If you've had one of these Ryla bags, you know that the material is amazing. They do really cool quality tests for it, and it's really fun to watch them. It has smooth zippers. I know that a lot of people tend to focus on that, so I just thought I would mention it. The inside is the same lining as the bag. It's sort of this khaki color. It's really nice and wipeable. So this is the small. As you can see, I have Altoids, a little mirror, 2 lip products, hair ties for my daughter, and there's still room for more. Let me just show you. For reference, this is my iPhone XS, and it fits in there with room to spare. So you can see kind of the size. So that's the small one. And then there's the medium. It's also that same great material. Ryla is really great at this faux leather. It's amazing. It also has that D-ring and the great zipper pulls. Super smooth. And in here, as you can see, I have a cute utensil. I have 2 fig bars, 2 jammy sammies, a pouch, and a bib. And you can actually still fit more if you needed to or wanted to. It's a really great size. I think it's perfect for snacks. And then so you can see kind of the difference. It's a pretty significant difference from the small pouch, just so you can kind of get an idea. And last but not least, this is the large. I have the wristlet attached to it because if I am going to need a separate pouch, it's most likely going to be this or this next, but this is great for diaper changes in public restrooms. Has the same logo, same material, also super smooth zippers, same D-ring, and I have the wristlet attached to it. I kind of wish that these wristlets had like a snap so you could open and clip it in and maybe hang it from your stroller. I don't know, that's just a thought. And as you can see, there's a lot of room. You can fit pretty large diapers in here. I only have 2 size 4 right now because I usually just go for quick outings and don't need anything else. I have some Post-its for my daughter if she needs to use the potty. I have a wipes case, a hand sanitizer, 2 diapers, and a Munchkin disposable bag. And as you can see, it still has room. Just so you know, a size 6 diaper also fits in here perfectly, and you can fit more diapers in here. I just like to keep it nice and slim. So this is the large. And then this is how, this is the difference between the medium. Again, pretty significant. And finally the small. So it's really great sizes. I don't find that they get too bulky, which is great because it keeps everything nice and slim and organized. So this is the Ryla pack that I own. This is a brown color, it's so pretty. I really love that this small pouch fits perfectly in this front pocket. And it's great because I keep my things separate, but they're still organized. I'm not gonna, you know, you don't have to like rummage through the bag to find it. And if I wanted to put my phone, it also fits in there. I could also have my keys in there if I wanted to. And then, oh, I also got this cute little poof that they sell. It's from Liza Adele. She's a YouTuber. The medium can fit either like across or obviously standing, and the large as well. It's really great size. What I do is I add a little Lily Jade changing pad because it kind of rolls up and it's perfect for this spot. And you have all of these pockets open for maybe a pacifier, some wet ones. You have the insulator pockets for water bottles, this back pocket for maybe first aid things. It's just kind of amazing. I love this bag so much. It's kind of great for every day. So as you can see, it obviously doesn't add any bulk to the bag. And it's just great to be able to open up and grab what you need and be on with your day. So yeah, now I'll show you how they compare in size to the Lily Jade pouches, just for those who are wondering. Full disclosure, I don't think either is better or worse. I love that they are different sizes and completely different materials, different colors. So, you know, just to keep that in mind. Lily Jade does sell a black one, but I have the Jade ones and I also have the khaki ones, which go great with this bag too, by the way. The Ryla pouches are already all packed up, so I'm not going to get into that too much. So I'll go one by one. This is the smallest of the Lily Jade packing pouches, and this is the difference between the Ryla. So if you maybe don't love the Lily Jade because of their size, because they are a larger style of pouches, you might prefer the Ryla, or vice versa. If you don't love the size on the Ryla, you might prefer the ones on the Lily Jade because they are very, very different in sizes. This is a small, and just so you can get a better idea, this is the medium, and it's still smaller than the smallest Lily Jade. They are obviously a different style also because this is kind of like the same material of the inside baby bag that the Lily Jade bags come with, and they are actually machine washable. They also have gold zippers. They don't have like the hardware on this, just like the little fabric pulls, but still amazing quality. I really, really love these too. Then this is the medium of the Lily Jade, and this is it compared to the medium of the Ryla. So yeah, pretty significant difference. I mean, this is even smaller than the medium-sized Lily Jade, so it is very different. So this is the two larger pieces of the Ryla in the front and the Lily Jade in the back. So pretty significant also, kind of like pretty much neck and neck height-wise, but still the Lily Jade is wider. So you got that difference right there, maybe 2 inches. This is the medium Lily Jade compared to the large Ryla. It's still a little bit taller. The Ryla is a little bit taller. The Lily Jade is a teensy bit wider, but they're kind of similar in size still. Okay, and I think that's it. I think I covered everything. I hope that this was useful for anyone researching these. I think they are great. I hope it is useful for anyone trying to decide between the Ryla and the Lily Jade. These are a little bit more affordable and the sizes are a lot smaller, which is great if you don't need a lot and you have a smaller bag like the Ryla. If you need to pack bigger things or more things, you have a little comparison with the Lily Jade, which are a lot larger than these. So I hope that you get a better idea of the material, what it holds, and how it fits inside of the bag. And I think that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this or found this useful. And if you did, please show me with a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.